Let's make some cheesy pepperoni twists. Start with some refrigerated pizza crust, roll it out, and then take a pizza slicer and slice it into strips going right down the center. I'm using mini pepperonis, 3 per piece. Press them on in there and then give it a twist. Next, to a loaf pan, add 1 cup of pizza sauce and 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then go ahead and put all those pepperoni twists on a lined sheet pan next to that loaf pan. I'm using my Cuisinart Oakmont Pellet Grill today. I've got it set for 425 degrees. I'm gonna add the pan with the cheese closest to the fire pot so it melts great. I'm also gonna add a pan of butter along with some minced garlic to make some garlic butter. After 20 minutes, your cheese sauce is gonna be bubbly and those twists are gonna be nice and toasty. Remove it from the grill, brush it up with that beautiful garlic butter, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some grated Parmesan cheese. You can also add a little bit of Italian seasoning, then go ahead and pick up those twists, dunk them in there, and look at that oozy cheese pull. Enjoy, guys.